Hi my friends, it's Ian over at Buildabizonline. I've had a few people say that when I change or alter my splash page, I cannot see the changes on the page, on my splash page. So let me show you what I mean, okay? We want to address this and get it right, don't we? Okay, so this is one of the brand new templates. So what I've got on there, I've got a Buildabizonline. It's committed to providing its customers all the tools and training they need in one neat program at the right price. Click here. Okay, so they click on there and it goes to buildabizonline.com. Okay, they can also, if they see this, they can join if they want to build splash pages like it. Okay, so now then, let us go back to the members area first of all, and what I'm going to do, you can see that's the template that I've got right now. Let me change the template for a start. So form test, make sure you choose the correct one. Okay, so let's have a look now. Now then, what have I done wrong? There we have it. I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to update the template, and then we go over here and we say, oh, it's not changed it. Now the thing is, your PC remembers cookies. So what you've got to do is to refresh this page. Now you can't right click on it then refresh it, but let me just grab this. Up by the home button there is reload this page or refresh this page. So when you click on that, and now you see that it has changed. So let me bring that back down. Okay, it has changed, and that's what we wanted it to do. Right, now let's change the content. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go back to, I always use this link, Splash Page Builder. Come down here and go to edit the settings. That's where you change the content. So there is the content in this first box. Okay, so Buildabizonline, that's the title, is committed to providing its customers all the tools and training they need in one neat program. So that's where it is. So if we want to alter this, so let me just go and collect some more information. And incidentally, I've got my home page going to Buildabizonline. Okay, so that is where I collected that information from. But what I'm going to do is bring that down. I'm going to look for some more information. Okay, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to grab that just for demo purposes. Okay, so we're going back to the members area, and what I'm going to do now is highlight this, and then I'm going to collect Control V. So that's that. Now I want this to pop. I want it to stand out a little bit better because there's a lot of blue on the template, so we're going to just make it black. So that's the background colour in here, and this is the text colour. So we click on there and we click just there. Okay, so that's that. So now we can either click save here, or we can go down to the bottom of the page. It makes no difference. Okay, so click save. So we come back over here and we have a look at that and we say it's not changed. That's because we need to refresh the page. That's why you're not seeing any changes. So if I click there and refresh the page, there we have the new text. More and more people than ever before are searching for a method to make extra cash from the comfort of their homes using their PCs and other devices. Click here. Now you can add a lot more information on these pages. In fact, you ought to see some of the splash pages that some of our customers build. They are totally amazing. Okay, so that is how to see the changes that you have made when you change a template or you alter the content of your homepage. Incidentally, let me just show you something again. So we're going to go back over here. This second one here, we've got some templates that have a main body area and then a smaller area to the left or the right, where you can put additional information, and that's what this box is for. Okay. Or you can add, well, it doesn't matter where you add it. You could add a form. Say you wanted somebody to opt into a form, you can add it here, or you can add the code here. It makes no difference. So just in case you're wondering what this second WYSIWYG box is all about, okay, it does say there, but just wanted to tell you anyway. So I hope you like the new templates and that you enjoy using them. A lot of people are using these slightly transparent so they can see the background image, and this is a nice one. I do like that, and I do like the other one as well. Let's just remind ourselves of that other one. So if I go up to the top again, because this is the easiest way, and I like easy, go down to the correct campaign and click change template, and what I'm going to do is, so look now, I'm going to choose the new one. Where is the new one? There, coastline. I'm going to click on that, click update, and now we don't see any changes until we hit that button, and you know where it is now. Okay, so there we have it. This is another really nice template. So there we have it, guys. That is how to see the changes that you make in templates and also content, and that applies with your programs page, anything. You have to refresh the pages. Okay, thanks for listening, and bye for now. Now, one thing I would love you to do is to subscribe to the channel. Then if I add another video that I deem is important and helpful to you, then you will get a notification. Ian Stewart has added another video. Click on this link, go see it now. Okay, so subscribe, and also what you could do is comment. Try and keep it positive. Most people write positive comments, and also like it or don't like it, whichever, it's up to you. Okay, and if you don't like it, then I'll have a look and I'll try and improve. Okay, my friends, so thanks for listening, and bye for now.